welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing good today. And I know it's been a long since I posted a video. That's because I had a very hectic schedule with a lot of works and exams and festival and basically a lot of things to keep up with. And yeah, from now I'll be more regular posting videos on YouTube for you guys. And trust me, I missed you all a lot lately. And Happy New Year, everyone. I know I'm late, but I wish you all a very happy New Year. And I hope you're having a good year so far. So, guys, this year I've planned a lot for myself this year. And I actually thought I'll share some of it with you guys. And I thought maybe it might be helpful, even in a little possible way, to start your year in a good way. So I've been watching a lot of positive and empowering videos lately from a couple amazing people or YouTubers to say that is basically on about their opinion on what 2020 has taught them and what are the lessons that they learned from 2020 that they want to use for 2021 for a better year. So that made me think about something that each person has different opinion on this year, and I wanted to actually ask a couple of my friends and cousins about their opinion on what 2020 has taught them and what are the lessons that they have learned from 2020 that they want to apply in 2021 to have a better year ahead. Guys, I know 2020 has been a very long year and very challenging year. So guys, year 2020, people had a lot of ups and downs and they have learned a lot of things, and people actually started exploring about themselves and started trying something new, and it's definitely a year of so much exposure and experiences. So I just wanted to share a few experiences with you guys. So I thought I would share some of my friends and cousins experiences about their opinions on the year 2020, what they have learned from 2020 that they want to follow from 2021, or how they want to make their 2021 a better year for themselves. Maybe I thought maybe that would help you even in a minute way. So let me go ahead and show you guys what they feel about 2020. So, what is the one thing that you learned from 2020 and the lesson that you want to follow for 2021? I mean, what do you want to share with us?
Hello everyone, Soumya here. So I'm a girl who believes in women empowerment. So to actually precisely say what are the best things that happened to me in 2020, both in my professional and personal career. So in my professional career, I got the first promotion, and yes, I'm very happy about it.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And in my personal life, to my surprise, I ended up finding my lifeline. So I got married. So while the whole world was suffering from the pandemic and grieving, I have had the opportunity to actually spend the most important days of my life with my life partner. So I have been trying to understand him a lot, and work from home is actually helping me a lot in this one. So we are spending a lot of time together. So one thing that from my past experience in 2020 and earlier, which I would like to understand and also have a goal in 2021, is perseverance. So I want to be patient and analyze the things that's happening with me and then react correctly. So perseverance is my goal for 2021. So this is all I've got to say. The list goes on, but this is it, perseverance. So thanks a lot, Harshita, for giving me this opportunity. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Hema. What have you learned in 2020? It is the most common interview questions that I was asked in almost all the job interviews. What have I learned in 2020 is that how to adapt to new changes as well as how to explore new things. My personal opinion, I hate changes. I hate when things change around me. But this lockdown has taught me how to adapt to those changes by exploring new things. Personally, I hate drawing. Shh, don't tell it to Harshita, okay? She'll kill me because she loves it. and I started drawing. I realized that changes are not so bad sometimes. I also started writing poetry in this lockdown. And for those who love literature, here is my Insta handle underscore instincts underscore. I'll also tell Harshita to give it in the description. And these are all some of my experiences and what I have learned in lockdown. And I would like to keep continuing this to the rest of my life.
Things I learned in 2020 are to prioritize my family, to love myself just the way I am, to appreciate everyone around me.
Guys, this is Shwani. I hope you're doing well. My friend Harshita has asked me to make a video about one thing I learned from year 2020. We all know that year 2020 has been a year full of challenges, but each one of us in a different way. But for me especially, I've learned a lot of things. But one thing which I learned mainly this year is being more accepting in life. No matter what kind of situation it might be, what kind of environment I might be in, I just started accepting the things as they are. And trust me, guys, though it seems pretty hard, it's pretty simple. I cultivated myself around positive energy, doing positive things, and indulged that energy in doing productive works, and it helped me to be more active. And I started meditating myself and exploring myself a lot. As we all know, year 2020 has been an year full of exploring yourself, and I hope it did the same for you. And this is what I learned, and thank you.
So guys, those were the opinions of some of my friends and cousins about the year 2020, about what they have learned from 2020 that they want to use in 2021. And if it comes to me, about what I have learned from 2020, there are many things, but to mention, it is definitely how to manage time throughout the day and how to be more productive, and also to be grateful for everything, even the very little things, to actually fill your life with a lot of positivity and gratitude, to stay happy no matter what, and to value people and your situations, whatever you are having or whatever you possess, to value those things rather than just complaining, and to go on. The list is never ending, because this year has taught me a lot. By spending a lot of time alone with myself, I've really explored and realized many things, which has been really helpful for me, and that has changed my life in a drastic way. And guys, if you're interested in more of this kind of stuff, in this kind of topic, then I recommend you to go check out videos of Radhi Devlukia and Lavender. They do amazing videos on this kind of topics, and I'll try to link down some of my favorite videos down in the description box. And guys, please do share your experiences from the year 2020 and your lessons for 2021 in the comments down below. I'll be really happy to read your experiences and opinions, how you plan to start your year. So guys, please do share your views on it, and I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to give a like, and I'll be back very soon with new videos. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back very soon with new videos. Until then, adios amigos.